Study, learn, collect. All another way to learn. I'm all about the science, baby. Yeah, science, bitch. Alright, hello my little vultures, and yes, today we have another unboxing of the Bone Box. There we go! You can see my new little roommate up there, although this roommate isn't gonna get me financially in the gutter, and I don't have to worry about picking up after this roommate or anything like that, so it is wonderful! And I don't have to worry about him stealing my snacks, so all the ice cream is mine. Yes. Awesome things with some fat love. But okay, yes, as I said, we have an unboxing for the Bone Box that we are going to go through, and this is for June 2020's unboxing. So, if you do not know about the Bone Box, it is a lovely subscription box for anybody that's as weird as I am and likes to collect bones. It's just a thing, okay? A lot of us are people that are in it. Well, for me, archaeology, history, all kinds of stuff. And we are also into fossils. Some of us are just into learning about animals. Some of us are into taxidermy. It all depends. For me, I'm huge on the science, so I just love learning something. But our first little edition of this box is American porcupine quills. So this is fun, actually, because, like, I had some porcupine quills in another box, but, like, there's so much that you can do with quills, especially if you're somebody that is also into, like, witchy things. You could also find, you know, association with them, but, yeah, I just like that. Okay, so cool, and this is priced at $5.99, so then putting that off to the side, and now we are getting onto the main skull of the box within this little bubble wrap. Our skull for June 2020 is a bird skull. Okay. So they do not have the tag stuck onto the... Ooh. Okay, and this is apparently a starling. This starling is darling. Oh, I love it. Okay, yeah. Here's our beautiful starling skull right there, and, you know, maybe I'll add some photos right away to this video to go ahead and show you this beauty. But, anyways, on the back of our little information card, we have a little bit of information on the starling, and it says, there are 11 subspecies of starlings, which can be found around the globe. Their population in North America is approximately 200 million, making them the continent's most abundant non-native bird. The starling's diet primarily consists of fruits, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates, although starlings are beneficial for consuming some harmful insects. These birds are widely regarded as pests for their invasive nesting habits and aggressive behavior. And after that little cue card, we are going to go ahead and read the little information. Starling. From class, order, family, genus, and species, we have Aves, Passeriformes, Sternidae, and Sternus vulgaris. I hope I said that right. Holy shit. Their diet is omnivore, range worldwide. This month's Bone Box delivers to you the starling. There are 11 subspecies of starlings which can be found across the globe. Their population in North America is approximately 200 million, making them the continent's most abundant non-native bird. And I can tell that we're going to go through a lot of information that I literally just read to you on the other card, but we're going to continue on because that's what we do. Sorry about that. I kind of forgot to delete some stuff in the trash, so I had, like, no storage. But continuing on with this little pamphlet, says the starling's diet primarily consists of fruit, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. Although starlings are beneficial for consuming some harmful insects, These birds are widely regarded as pests for their invasive nesting habits and aggressive behavior. Because starlings are non-native invasive species, they are not protected by the United States Migratory Bird Treaty Act. So in other words, it is legal in the United States to actually have these birds because there are so many that are under the United States Migratory whatever. There are so many birds that fall underneath that are illegal that it's just insane. So whenever you see a bird, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you have to look up to see if it's even legal to keep or not, because most of the time they're not going to be. Even seagulls are illegal because of something in the 70s. I don't remember all when I looked into it, but yeah. So that was all for June 2020, and yeah, this is a really shit angle, but whatever. I hope you guys all have a lovely day, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. So I'll go ahead and link where you can purchase skulls of this sort and other kinds of bones and oddities and such, because yeah, the dude that I bought this from is really cool. I got other bones from him. Got a few other bones from him. This dude can hook you up with some parts from antique science skeleton. Well, alright, I'll go ahead and leave you guys with that. And goodbye.